Hi everyone, I am Ashwin Kumar, currently pursuing BTech at second year in the stream of Artificial Intelligence and Data Science in Kite Group of Institutions. Today, my task is to build a simple chatbot, which is a text-to-text chatbot. So this is the UI, and these are as per your requirements. I have designed the sidebar, navbar, and a chat space. So these are the recent chats and it gets stored and you can delete here. I develop is at per your requirements, and when we click on a new chart, it will be open a new chart. So here we can ask anything, so we get the answer. So this is a text to text chatbot, so it will give response only in a text type. So let's ask a question to system. Let's ask a question. What is OS? So we take a response. So this is the response that we got. OS is an operating system software that manages the computer, hardware, and software. So we get the desired result and an accurate answer. So our bot is working. So let's see how this backend and frontend is designed and architecture. Let's see in the code. So this is the backend and frontend code. So where I have used FastAPI and Python for the backend and React for the frontend. So let's see how the code actually works. So here is an AI.py where it's services about AI. So these are the imports, time, random, dictionary types, and app database. I use this is the system run how the AI can assist us, and these are the classes for defining to get the to generate response and to generate a title and to generate a simulated response for our question. So here we can see this. We get the responses like this, and this is database.py. So in this database, the data gets stored in localhost. The I use for database is SQLite. So it's stored in SQL. This is the origin for localhost, and the database connection setup is done here, and these are the paths. These are the paths to generate a UID. This is the message as we use Python schemas, and these are the CRUD operations to create a conversation, to get a conversation, and to update a conversation, and to delete a conversation. These are the CRUD operations, and we can see that how the data is actually stored. These in this format, the data is stored. We have two tables: conversation table and message table. Let's see the main py. So in this main py, we get the app routers. So since we are using fast APIs, we use routers to call the APIs. So this is get, and this is to health check, and this is a conversation routers to get, to post, and to get the delete conversations. These are the chat endpoints to save messages. So this is my backend, and this is the VNV file, and this is .env where it will show about app name, database URL, and allowed origins in the localhost for the frontend. And I developed this for 3 OpenAPI key and Grok API key and AI model. So I just using just Grok API key. So this is my backend structure, and when come to front end, I developed it with the node modules. So I developed with React. So I installed node modules, and this is app.js to call functions, and this is the backend URL. And to send a chat to assistants, this is the function calls. This is the routers, and this is the components where you can see the UI elements like common components like loading animation and error message for every chat. And this is an hour component which consists of project name and progress. Uh, and this is the sidebar component having a new chat button and conversation items and conversation list. And this is the sidebar. And chat component consists of type indicator. These are the functions. And main.jsx is contains the it calls it imports React and uh, import style CSS all technologies from the front end. It imported in main.jsx, and these are the pages.jsx. So where each page is written like home page view and sidebar view and chart transcript view. So this is a simple chatbot I designed as per your requirements. Thank you.